Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little share. Lotsa Style, I've teamed up with them again. If you don't know, they are the ones that have these cute little tabletop trash cans. I fancied mine up and it says, "Feed me glitter and tell me I'm pretty." Little trash can. This thing right here is the next item that they sent me. And it's this metal magnetized little shelf. And it fits this trash can perfectly, and people were using it like on the side of their washer and dryer because it sticks, and then they just had like a little lint. They made that their lint trash can, but I am a crafty girl, so I'm using it in my craft space. So this thing is actually metal. The entire thing is metal, and then the very back piece has is one giant magnet. So it sticks perfectly to any type of metal Rascog cart. And my little Dollar Tree things, I kind of decorated mine with a little banner from Target, but since this is metal, other magnets stick to it as well, like so. So I mean, you could just keep stacking stuff out, but I'm not going to do that because then my my Valentine's Day Rascart is just going to get too wide. But this thing is so strong because the entire back piece, like I said, and I will show you what it looks like without all this stuff on it, is metal as well. But I put all of my quick grab adhesives like that I need to use real quick, and then some of my like puffy tape and little dot stickies. So these little Michaels things fit perfectly here as well. So you guys can kind of get a better look. It's kind of just like a flat shelf. It's got a little lip in the front, and then it's got some railing to hold some of the bigger items or taller items in it. This thing is a 9 3/4 inches wide, 4 3/4 inches deep, and 3.5 inches tall. This back piece. This piece is a little bit lower because it's just the railing, but this actual magnet spot is 3.5 inches tall. So look at this. I picked out the white one. They also do have black. And it is heavy duty sturdy. So now let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so I took everything off and I just want to show you how strong, like, oh my gosh, I'm not going to be able to get it off with one hand. That's how strong it is. Crazy strong. This thing is also heavy. Look at this. The entire back is a magnet, so it gets a good grip on whatever metal you are using. And this entire thing is almost like a cast iron. Like if I could describe the type of metal, I don't know what type of metal it is, but it's heavy duty and it's heavy like that. And it's got like, you see it's like a textured metal. You can see right here. From the photos, I kind of thought it was like plastic with magnet, but it's not. It's metal. The full thing is metal. Look how strong it is when it grabs. Watch. It's aggressive. It ain't going nowhere. So yeah, I will leave a link in the description box to their website so you guys could check this little doodad out. And I think I want to add them to every single row, but I won't. It'll just be too much on this thing. But yeah, this is where I would use it and where I'm gonna use it. All right, bye guys. Catch you on the next crafty video.